2.
That's pleasant, Devin.
3. 4.
Is she looking?
2.
The dots. There's dots on the side of the yogurt.
5.
Oh.
And she's counting the dots as she takes a bite.
6. 7. 8. I got my dots, Mommy.
Were there 8 of them?
Good job.
Very good.
How many dots do you have?
High five.
How many dots do I have? Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 like Ellie.
Uh,
Yeah.